Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial to create this easy black smoky eye look. We will start with applying concealer on the eye area. This cancels out all the darkness and eyeshadow pops out well. This needs to be blended using a sponge. I am setting it with a powder next. Taking powder on a brush and spreading it around. Now I'm taking a brown shade. I will be applying it right at the crease area and building it up slowly. I'll keep blending it over the crease area gradually. Next I'm taking a brick brown color. I am further going to define the crease using this color. Now for base, I'm taking a dark brown shade and placing it with a flat brush on the entire eyelid area. I will be darkening this color gradually till I get the desired shade. I want a little dark shade on the entire eyelid area. Next, using a black eyeliner, I will draw a line right next to my lash line. You don't need to be very precise with this as we will be smudging it. Using a small precise brush, I will take the dark brown shade to smudge the line. This step needs to be repeated till we cover half the lid area. Now using the black eyeshadow, I will place it at the corner of the eye and blend it inwards. Taking a big brush now will blend all the colors together to get a smooth finish. Now using the same eyeliner, I'm going to line my waterline. Then we'll soften it with a dark brown eyeshadow. Again using a big brush, I will blend it a little and merge it at the corner with the upper lid shadow. Putting mascara to coat my lashes, I am going light with it as I will be using false lashes for this look. Finally using the highlighter shade to brighten my inner corner and also to highlight the brow bone. This is the final look. As you can see, I paired it with false lashes. It has come out really well. The key to create a good smoky eye is to blend your eyeshadow really well. I hope you liked the video and found it helpful. Thank you so much for staying till the end and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.